Hello, this is Greg Sumner. I'm coming to you today because I've decided to start a YouTube channel. You know, for several years I've been making videos of my Doberman pinchers and my puppies. And I've decided to start a YouTube channel to share my puppies and my dogs' lives, because I think other people like to share them. See, here's my 13 years old Lady Liberty. She had a stroke in January. She couldn't walk for almost a week, and you see she's up and about. She's doing good. I like people to understand that. Baby, come here, girlie. Little bit, come here. Lil, come here, girlie. There's a 2-year-old and a 12-week-old. Come here. Lil, y'all supposed to be playing for the video. Libby, they ain't listening. See how puppies do you? Come here, girls. Lil, come here. Baby. This is supposed to be a puppy video, and they're not cooperating, Livy. Anyway, like I said, we're setting up a Facebook page. Not a Facebook page. We have a Daring Doberman Facebook page. There you go. For several years, we've been posting videos to Facebook, and we've not been sharing them to YouTube, but from now on, we're going to be sharing them to YouTube. Like I said, Libby had some type of stroke back in January. She still holds her head a little bit, and she stumbles around, but she is up and about. And in a week or two, she will be 13 years old. She is the grandmother to the pups. Come on, Libby, let's go, girlie. We're doing the afternoon walk. Come on, Libby, let's go, girl. Come on. Come on, Lib. Come on, girls. Libby. Libby, now. Come on, Libby. No, no, no. We're not going that way. Come on, pups. Libby, where are you going? Gotta have some water, huh? Come on, girlie. There's baby, there's my pup. Baby's blue. Some baby's revenge. Say hey there. Baby. So I'm doing a creek adventure. You doing a creek adventure? Ain't she pretty? She was born on Christmas Day. And Lady Liberty's her grandma. Come on, Libby, let's go. Lil, come here, girlie. I see you. There's Lil. A little bit. A little bit. Come on, Libby. All right, like I was telling everybody, I'm setting up a YouTube channel, and I'm just posting this here to Daring Dobermans. I want everybody to know, go to the YouTube channel. Please like and share and subscribe to the new channel. Please share it so that other people get to see and share, learn about the Doberman pinchers. And if you want a puppy, when I've got some available, I will post new videos so that other people will be aware and can get puppies when they want one. I do have puppies from time to time. Registered Doberman Pinchers. I'm a member of the American Kennel Club and the Continental Kennel Club. Been a member of the American Kennel Club since 1996. I've had Doberman Pinchers for over 25 years. They're family friendly. They're Velcro dogs. They like to be on your lap. There's a little bit of that playing I was telling you about. They can be trained with little effort. They learn very quickly. They can be very hyperactive. They're very loyal and faithful. Very good guard dogs. And the best friend you've ever had. Anyway, I wanted to take a few minutes and share some of my experience with my Doberman Pinchers. And a lot of you have puppies from me, and you enjoy Dobermans yourself. So please like and share and subscribe. Tell your friends. Have a wonderful puppy afternoon. And smile until next time. This is Greg Sumner with Daring Dobermans. I will see you later. Puppy smiles. Bye-bye.